Izakhamuzi zasethembisa zithi sekwanele ukuthi abantu bokufika bezenzele umathanda kulelizwe. Zikhala ngokuthi lamathiloma bokufika adayisa ukudla osekonakele futhi awayilandeli imithetho nemigomo yezempilo nezokuphepha nokubeka engcupheni impilo yazo.
Injongo yethu ukuthi nje siyabacela ukuthi bahambe ngepeace ngoba manje inkinga yethu asisakwazi ukwenzani. Abantu buka nje abantu abasebenzi because bona like bafuna imali ephansi abanandaba ukuthi ubani 2 rand obanika malini abandaba, but the South African bazalele la. They need a benefit of South Africa. They can't get a benefit of South Africa because of what? The government is failing too much. Now there's time which South Africa is sukume. Youth bayibulele ngama drugs.
Izakhamuzi zithi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi amathilomu abuyele kubantu bendawo.
No, the community, they are willing to open the businesses because they can open the business. If the Pakistan open the shop here, I open the shop there. Then I'm selling the bread 10 rand. The Pakistan will sell 8 rand because they know they don't want about 1 rand.
Lo mbhikisho uza njengoba izikhula isiphakamise emphakathini mayelana nemithetho elawula ukusebenza kwamathilomu nabanikazi bawo.
Whereby people are getting hurt, but government is control this situation so that we can move forward. Because we've had a lot of incidents where children die out of poisoning, food poisonings, and all those things.
Izakhamuzi zinqumela ugwayikati kabokufika uma bengavala amathilomu abo.